With the Zika virus spreading rapidly, the World Health Organization on Monday declared Zika a global health emergency. As VOA's Alberto Pimienta reports, many fear the worst is yet to come.
Thought to be linked to birth defects in newborns, Zika is now an international crisis.
The clusters of microcephaly and other neurological complications constitute an extraordinary event and a public health threat to other parts of the world.
Because it is spread by mosquitoes, many fear the Zika virus is unstoppable. The WHO says more than 4 million people in the Americas could get infected this year. Brazil has been hit the hardest by the virus. There has been an explosion of newborns with microcephaly, a condition that makes their heads abnormally small. While no firm link has been established between the Zika virus and the baby's condition, Brazilian researchers say they are convinced there's one. Since October of 2015, more than 4,000 cases of microcephaly have been reported in Brazil. In 2014, there were only 150 similar cases. Another cause of concern is that there's no cure for the virus. Scientists say it could take years before a vaccine is developed. One obstacle, some say, is that drug companies do not see a profit in producing treatments for diseases that affect the developing world. Dr. Carolina Batista, speaking via Skype from Rio de Janeiro, says these companies should concentrate on the patient, not on simply making money.
We need to think with a different logic that is not market-driven. I think the market-driven logic and paradigm is outdated. We need to look at this as a global health challenge that needs a global health comprehensive response.
Because there's no cure, Marcos Espinal of the Pan American Health Organization tells VOA the only option is to attack the mosquito.
The key issue is for those countries to do aggressive control of the mosquito, to implement and engage all of society in a multi-sectorial and intersectorial approach to control the vehicle that transmits the virus.
Espinal says tropical countries like many in Latin America are in more danger. In much of the US and Canada, the mosquito doesn't do well in cold winter weather. Alberto Pimienta for VOA News, Washington.